Methods to reduce accident in the industry. So first point, transfer accident prone workers to less hazardous situation. So it's important in hazardous is produced in industry, that time the workers go to the assembly point. For example, in the chemical plant, sometimes the chemical release from the pipeline. So that time the chemical is very dangerous for the workers. So the worker is move from the place and go to the assembly point. So it's necessary in the industry area. So second point, give adequate training before putting him on that job. So anyone industry, that industry, new employee coming to the working. So that time it's necessary for training. So new employee work firm under the skill employee. So next 2 months 3 months later, new employee go to the work in individual. So that is reduce the accident in the industry. So that point, effort must be taken to help the workers to solve the personal problems. So sometimes in the industry, the personal problem produced to the workers. For example, sometimes some workers produce the fever or cold, some vomiting. So that time the co-employees help to the sick employees, and to go to the near the emergency call center. So call the supervisor and solve the problem to the seeking employee. So that is also important. So next we go to see the important points. So planning, the first point is the planning for accident prevention. So it's important. First of all, we consider the which place to produce the accident. So if we consider the accident producing area, so we solve the accident, it's easy. For example, sometimes the accident produced in pressurized equipment area, because we inspection the material equipment, that time we give the more pressure to the machinery. So that time the more pressure produces that area, so more chances to accident produce that area. So we keep the area in preserve condition, so that time we reduce the accident, it is easy. So that is first point. Second point is a layout of workplace. So working area is more comfortable, it's necessary for the reduce the accident, because one machinery to another machinery, gap is very comfortable stage is important. Sometimes the employee keep the hand in another machinery, so that time the another machinery operator is on the machine. So this employee hand also chances to easily damaged or broken. So layout of workplace is very important for the comfortable stage. So next point, access to the workplace. So in any company, the access the workplace is more important, because we go to see the company in two line border is draw. So the man is go, or any truck or go to the center of the place, it's important. We cross the line, that time definitely safety fine is produced by the safety officer. So the access to workplace is important. So next point, machinery. In the machinery, in the industry, the machinery, static machinery, rotating machinery. So more machinery operating in the company. So sometime in the rotating machinery is rotating area, any employees keep the hand in rotating parts, so automatically damaged. So compulsory we keep the rotating parts by the using the guard. So guard is very safe the reduce the accident. So that is fourth point, machinery. And fifth point is material handling. So must we reduce the material handling in the industry. In more material handling, it's produce an accident and disturb the production present. So automatically produce the accident in the material handling.